असलकुम व्यूअर, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को जो है ना स्नैक ऐप के बारे में बताऊंगा कि स्नैक ऐप जो है ना ये हमारे पास क्या होता है, और स्नैप ऐप पे जो है ना हम किस तरह पैसे कमाते हैं, और क्या स्नैप ऐप जो है ना हम पाकिस्तान में यूज़ करते हैं कि यूज़ नहीं करते। तो इसके बारे में आप लोगों को बताऊंगा। अगर आप लोगों को हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो हमारी वीडियो को भी लाइक करें, और हमारे चैनल को भी लाइक करें। तो चलते हैं स्क्रीन की साइड पे, उधर मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा कि स्नैप ऐप से जो है ना हम किस तरह अर्निंग करते हैं और स्नैक ऐप क्या होता है। ऑलरेडी जो है ना गूगल में ये सर्च किया कि स्नैक वीडियो हमारे पास क्या होता है, तो इसके बारे में मैं आप लोगों को पढ़ाता हूँ कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ स्नैक वीडियो। Snake video is an almost identical alternative to TikTok feature for feature with, with an app filter, lip sync, and globally availability. Snake video allow users in countries where TikTok has been banned to get in on the fun of short from video without worrying about the legal implication. What is the snake video? Snap. Snake video is the newest party of short funny videos. You can find the most exciting funny magic video on Snake video. All you have to do and watch. Engage with what you like. Skip what you don't, and you will find an endless stream of short videos that feel personalized just for you. Who invited Snake Video? In 1997 came the landmark edition of Snake, first published by Finnish company Nokia for monochrome 6110 phones, and programmed by a company Tenli Armanto. A Snake Video banned in India. Can we earn money from Snake Video? Snake Video has a creator fund that allows eligible creators to earn money based on their videos performance. To qualify for the funds, creators typically need to meet certain criteria related to video views, engagement, and compliance with community guidelines. What is it called a video? Is Snake Video available in Pakistan? Snake Video is a Pakistani social website online similar to TikTok that lets in you to create and watch short movies that you could share with others. It is simple as recording or importing a video out of your smartphone gallery. Which country is Snake Video app in Pakistan? In Pakistan and Indonesia, this app is known as Snake Video. It is often referred to as Kawi in overseas market. Its main competitor is Douyin, which is known as TikTok outside China. Is Snake Video like TikTok? Yes, Snake Video is similar to TikTok in that it is a short form video app that allows users to create and share short video with music, filter, and other creative features. How to play Snake? A Snake Video is a Chinese app. Snake is a Chinese video sharing app developed by Beijing Kushu Technology Ltd outside of China. It has also gained considerable popularity in other markets. It has topped the Google Play App Store. Most download list is 8 countries. This app known as Snake Video in India. Snake Video. What is the meaning of Snake Video? Snake Video is an almost identical alternative to TikTok feature with an app filter, lip snake, and globally availability. Snake Video allow users in countries where TikTok has been banned to get in on the fun of short of video without TikTok has been banned to get in the fun of short from video without worrying about the legal implication. تو گائز یہ تھی آج کی ہماری ویڈیو سنیک کے بارے میں. اگر آپ لوگوں کو ہماری ویڈیو پسند آئی تو ہماری ویڈیو کو جو ہے نا لائک کرے اور چینل کو سبسکرائب کرے. اللہ حافظ.